Hello guys and welcome to Al-Makra Repair Center. We have a Ferrari F355 Spider. As you can see, the front bumper is a piece missing and this is a fiberglass. So to replace that bumper is gonna cost a fortune of money. So we decided to repair it for the client, as you can see. So now we're gonna get it stripped. It's already on the ramp. We need to strip it and then take the bumper off and start repairing it. I will definitely, you will see guys, the process of the repairing, how it's going to looks like, and then of course you will see the difference between now and the end of the video. So let's get it stripped and taking it off. That's the indicator. The number plate is just like a sticky one, so we take it off later. So now we take the bumper off. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Let me see it from inside how it looks like. Okay, yeah, we need to snip it completely off. So now what we have done, we grind it properly, gone down as much as we can. Now we're reshaping it, making it ready for the fiberglass sheets. Basically now it's ready for the resin and the fiberglass sheets. What we spotted, somebody may repaired it before. On the other side you can see a fiberglass filler coming out from the other side, but the way we're doing it is completely different and more stronger. So this is the resin, we put the hardener, now we're mixing it, and of course we have to use the brush with it. So now we're applying the resin, and then after the resin we put the sheets, fiberglass sheets, and then we put more coat resin on the top of it. Now we're applying the fiberglass sheets. Now another coat on the top of the fiberglass sheets, make it more stronger. That one is dry, it become like a rock, absolutely rock.
Outside fiberglass filler.
Okay, so now as you can see, the bumper has been repaired, prepped. So this is the piece was missing here. We have seen how it was and then how we applied the fiberglass sheet. So now we're gonna get it painted. We have to apply the paint and the clear coat. So this is the front bumper. It's been back on the car, and this is the place where it was broken, damaged. The piece is missing, as you've seen in previous in the video. So this is the result, guys. Please like and subscribe and share. So this is the quality we do in Al-Makra at Al-Makra Repair Center. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the repair, the way we're repairing the bumper and the way we have done it. and I really appreciate you watching, guys. Thank you very much.